Okay, here's this old KDK desk fan in mint condition, besides the capacitor, because the capacitor's dead on it. Well, it works, but it barely wants to go. It's got this nice fancy plug at the back, which you can take out in and out, so it's pretty good. Start off on low. It will slow right down. See, it's not really up to speed. It's not good quality. So I'll be replacing the capacitor if I can get a 330 volt one, which is what I need. I got it along with a vintage GEC brown desk fan as well. It does isolate. Does pretty good actually. The capacitor could be broken just for low, but it does slow down on the other speeds as well. Stupid paper blowing around, that's what that noise was. It used to work fine on high. Let me know in the comments below if I should get a new capacitor for this old KDK. I'm just going to turn it on for a moment just to get it right in the middle. There we go. Thanks for watching.